class 11 students, those who have got admission in class 11 or CBSE class 11 or Bihar board, senior secretary first year. In chemistry, the important topic is atomic structure, and in atomic structure this is the photoelectric effect, and this photoelectric effect is based on the particle nature of light. So when the beam of light falls on a surface of metal, then it ejects electron. Electron is ejected. When the beam of light falls on the metal surface, then electron is ejected. So beam of light falling on the surface of the metal that has the frequency mu. It has the frequency mu. And after falling, this electron is ejected. But electron will eject only when the frequency of the light falling on the metal surface must be the minimum frequency, must attain the minimum frequency required to eject electron. So the minimum frequency required to eject the electron, this is called threshold frequency, and this is denoted by V naught. V naught. So V naught is the minimum frequency required to attain that eject the electron by the beam of light falling on the surface of the metal. And this threshold frequency is very characteristic, means it is different for different metals. It is different for different metals. It is characteristic, and its unit is electron volt, EV. So sodium is 2.3 electron volt, potassium is 2.25 electron volt, magnesium is 3.7 electron volt, lithium is 2.42 electron volt, copper is 4.8 electron volt, and silver is 4.3 electron volt. So this beam of light, when falling on that surface that has the energy E is h mu, and that must attain the energy that to let the electron ejected. So that energy, minimum energy, that is called work function. So the beam of light, when attains the minimum energy required to eject the electron, that is called h mu, that is work function, that is called work function, and that is the product of h and mu naught. So h mu naught is the minimum frequency, that is the threshold frequency of light, and W, it is denoted by W naught. So W naught is h mu naught. W naught is equal to h mu naught. So work function W naught is h mu naught. So when this electron is ejected, when the beam of light falling on the metal surface gets that minimum energy, that is the work function. So when the electron is ejected, then this energy is converted into kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy is half mv square. So this h mu is the energy of light, energy of the beam of light falling on the surface of the metal. That is h mu, and this h mu is equal to h mu naught and plus mv square, and obviously this h mu is E. E is the energy, so E energy is equal to h mu, and that is equal to h mu naught plus half mv square. So this is all about the photoelectric effect of light, and this is based on the particle nature of light. and this is the metal surface, and this is the threshold frequency, and this threshold frequency is different for the all different metals. So this is all about the electric effect of light. Thank you. That's all.